What I love about Claude right now is there are a lot of tools that are ready to connect the marketing tools that we're using, such as Gamma, Canva, and more of the many tools here.
All right. Hello and welcome to today's AI SEO and generative engine optimization tip. My name is Chris Raulf. I am an AI SEO expert over at chrisraulf.com, and I'm also the founder of Boulder SEO Marketing BSM. We're a boutique AI SEO agency and generative engine optimization agency right here in beautiful, sunny Boulder, Colorado, Denver, Colorado, and offices all over Colorado. But we do work with companies all over the US and worldwide. So, Harold, I'm going to let you introduce yourself in a second. We're going to talk about how, in particular, Claude, one of my favorite large language models, is allowing us to be way more efficient. These tools are advancing so rapidly. And if you read the news last week, you probably came across some news where you learned that Anthropic's Claude triggered $1 trillion sell-off in tech companies. Why? Because that tool is now getting so sophisticated, allowing us to be so much more efficient in our daily task. Basically, it allows us to automate many of the tasks that we are currently doing manually. Claude is an integral part of our AI SEO methodology that we always first test here on our own websites, and then we roll them out so that our customers have access to these new processes, technologies, thus getting them to be more efficient and effective. All right, so here I ask you to present to our audience today, just briefly, what we do, how we're getting more efficient. So, Harold, who are you?
Thanks, Chris. So, hi everyone. My name is Harold de Guzman. I'm the head marketing here at Chris Raulf AIO and our company Boulder SEO Marketing. Today, I want to quickly explain what Claude MCPs are. This is one of the many features that Claude is offering for their users right now, especially for their paid users. Let me share my screen. First, what are Claude MCPs? So, Claude MCPs are Model Context Protocol. In simple terms, you're allowing Claude to securely connect to your third-party tools, such as your Google Drive, Calendar, or Gmail. There are two options for you to turn on this feature. First one here is click the plus sign connectors and basically turn on which tool you want Claude to have access to. Second option is click here on the left bottom and then click settings, connectors. And then here, as you can see, my Google Drive, Gmail, Google Calendar are all connected inside Claude. If you want to take it to the next level, what I love about Claude right now is there are a lot of tools that are ready to connect the marketing tools that we're using, such as Gamma, Canva, and more of the many tools here. So you can check them all out. Going back, just to give you a quick understanding what is my usual work routine inside for Chris Ralph AI SEO and BSM. We're doing weekly catch ups and marketing meetings. And then from our marketing meetings, I have a lot of action items that I have to add inside Monday.com. And I have to do all of those manually. Realistically, after our meeting, this will take up 30 minutes of my time every meeting. With the use of the MCPs inside Claude, basically, here are just the two steps that I'm asking it to do. First, Claude, please access my Google Calendar and our last week's meetings marketing meeting. Then number two, list all of my action items and add them to Monday.com under the Harold To Do's group. I'm using Opus 4.6 right now, so it really understands the context, what you're asking it to do. First, its thought process is it's understanding the pulling the transcript from our marketing meeting. Here it says, I've got the full transcript. Now let me find your Monday.com board. Then, after analyzing and doing behind the scenes steps, it found my Harold to do's group, which is this group here, this guy here. And going back from the meeting, my action items are here. Finalize Fox social media post proposal, research video, agent tools, then so on and so forth. And then let me add this now, use monday.com. It created all of those tasks here. Then if you're gonna check monday.com under my Harold to do's group, it created everything here in just a matter of, I would say, 5 to 7 minutes. While me working with my other task and Claude going to work without me having to check it. So this is a agentic feature that Claude is offering right now, and it will save you and your company a lot of time. So you need to use this feature right away.
Awesome. So as I mentioned in previous tips, I'm a big fan of Claude. They really are taking it to the next level. Here at Chris Raulf AI SEO and over at Boulder SEO Marketing, obviously we're working with all of the most commonly known large language models, but absolutely Claude is the tool that we are now using the most. So if you would like to save a little bit of time every day, become more efficient, effective, what Harold just showed you is an amazing way, right, to boost your productivity. As a business owner, I think there's a lot of business owners listening to this podcast out there. Time is money. It is a fact, right? So I highly encourage you use what we're teaching here in these videos and become more effective, efficient. It's going to add to your bottom line. Harold, thank you so much for you showing how to increase people's productivity. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out, add comments below. We're going to add links to the information that we showed here right below in the description field of this YouTube video. Again, Chris Raulf here. I'm an AI SEO expert over at Chris Raulf AI SEO. And also the founder of Boulder SEO Marketing. Well, thank you so much. As always, stay safe and healthy, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.